Hey guys, Keith here. In this video we're going to pick up where we left off in part 6 and continue on with this DIY bathroom remodel. Let's get started. Okay, so basically this drain needs to move slightly this way and a little bit back. Shouldn't be a big deal. I should have the space to do it, but I need to re-glue and replace this P-trap here. Since it's already glued, it used to be way over here, and I shortened this up and tried to reuse it so I wasn't wasting material, but it's not going to work, so I need to replace it. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. This here isn't glued in either, so that's what we got to work on next. If you know a better way to do this, comment down below. Alright, so it's looking pretty good. It's centered enough. Not perfect, but it's going to work. We have a bit of wiggle room with the drain flange that goes onto this after. So next up is to do the glue up. So let's keep going. Pretty good. It's roughly where I want it. Pretty well centered in the drain where the flange is going to go. So we're going to backfill this with some gravel now, and to stop it from essentially covering up this drain, we're going to put this tube around it. This is a Carnation hot chocolate container, and I'm just going to put it around the drain like this. It's going to stop the gravel from coming too close to the drain, and also when the cement is put in after the fact, it's going to stop it from covering up the drain, because this is recessed and the flange is going to go a bit below. So that's the next step here.
You're gonna do concrete, you gotta wear one of these. Stuff's nasty. At least if you're doing it indoors.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to smash the like button, and if you're not subscribing already, make sure to subscribe. In the next one, hopefully we're moving on to installing the Schluter shower system, which is the boarding on the wall, and also the shower base. See how it goes, but I'm pretty sure that's what's going to be up next. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.